Why does your scanner show the P0743 engine code? What does it mean? P0743 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque converter, clutch solenoid circuit, electrical. It means that the powertrain control module has found an abnormality with the torque converter clutch circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty torque converter, clutch solenoid. Damaged wiring. Transmission control module issues. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Valve body problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Mazda, Honda, Chevrolet, Volkswagen, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Nissan, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.